बॉलिवूडचे बादशाह शाहरुख खान हांचे भुरगेपणाचे शिक्षक ब्रदर एरिक डिसोजा हांची भलायकी दिसान दीस खालावत आसा. एरिक डिसोजा हे सद्या गोंयांत आसा. तशेंच तांची परिस्थिती नाजूक आशिल्ल्यान काँग्रेस लीडर झारिटा लेटफ्लांग हांणी सोशल मिडिया एक्सच्या माध्यमांतल्यान एसआरके कडेन हांगा येवन तांच्या शिक्षकाक मेळपाची मागणी केल्ली आसा. एरिक डिसोजा हे एसआरकेच्या भुरगेपणान सेंट कोलंबा स्कूल दिल्ली हांगा इन्चार्ज टीचर आशिल्ले. तशेंच शाहरुख खान स्वता तांकां खूब मानता. आपल्या आवय बापाय उपरांत जर आपूण कोणाक मानता जाल्यार हे आपले गुरू एरिक डिसोजा अशें तांणी एका टीव्ही शोचेर कांय वर्सां फाटीं सांगिल्लें. तांची हीच एकामेका बद्दलची आपुलकी पळोवन काँग्रेस लिडरान एसआरकेन आपल्या गुरूक एक पावट येवन तरी मेळचें अशी मागणी केल्या. एसआरके आयल्यार खंय तरी एरिक डिसोजा हे खूश जातले, तांकां बरें दिसतलें म्हणून एसआरकेन येवचें अशें आव्हान तांणी केलां.
एरिक स्कूल के इंचार्ज थे दिल्ली में और इस वक्त शिलोंग में रहते हैं. You survived. Father, we heard you talking on the video message and saying how you thought that he's going to Bollywood is not going to be like all that great for him, except for his mother saying.
Yeah.
But now, aren't you so very happy that his mother was proved so very right?
Yeah, I'm happy that his mother's proved so very right, but I've come here to restore his faith in humanity.
Really?
He lost it 5 minutes ago.
I speak for all of us, the C Gang and everyone who's educated in St. Columbus or elsewhere where he's teaching, that honest to God, if there is anybody else on this earth, if I think after my parents and look up to, it's Brother D'Souza and all of us here. Thank you so much.
Even as a young student, was he like this likable, or was he all the things that his friends had said a little while ago?
He was impish, he was naughty, he was very focused, but as a teacher what I'd like to say is he's a good example of somebody who knew how to stretch his boundaries and achieve what he had to achieve.
फिल्म वाले तो फौरन मेरी बात समझ.
Hi Shahrukh, well this is a message for you. I usually wouldn't do it, but I'm in Goa and just came to visit brother Erik D'Souza, whom we fondly know as Dasu. Most of us have grown up knowing him as Dasu. I know that you're very busy with your shooting schedules, your IPLs, the swearing in ceremonies, and then of course all the other engagements that you have to attend to. But it's a request that if you could kindly spare a few minutes to come and visit him. Mumbai is not really far from Goa, it's just an hour's flight. It would be really nice. His health is really deteriorating and he can't speak anymore. It seems most of the sisters there, they joke with him that are you actually waiting for Shahrukh to come. So I think it would be really nice if you could spare a few minutes. He's played a very important role in your life, as well as most of us actually. So it's a request to all our friends, all our colleagues whose lives have been impacted by Brother D'Souza. Do spread this message, and I hope it reaches Shahrukh Khan, because this is the 4th time that I'm been trying to reach out through Twitter, through Facebook, but it's just not possible to reach him. So Shahrukh, please make some time to come and see him. Thanks.